Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can claim your daily rewards in the superforest game of Roblox. Okay, let's get into it guys. I've already opened the superforest game, which is similar to the Grow a Garden game of Roblox, and here you will be able to claim your daily rewards, and it's free guys. You can go to the rewards menu. Okay, and I've already claimed day 1 and day 2. And oops, I still can't claim the day 3 rewards. I need to wait guys, and on the day 7 we will get one spirit lily seed. Okay, don't forget to claim your daily rewards. For day 2 I got 2 rare soil, and on day 1 I got 500 coins. Okay guys, and that's how you can claim the daily rewards in the superforest game of Roblox. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.